Hi, and welcome back to Blues Garden. This is your mid-May 2025 update. And that guy right there is why my peas seem to have been nibbled. I walked out there with the intent of filming. I didn't catch him on camera, but he was running away from where all the peas are, and they're all chewed. All but one, really, but they're basically all chewed. So let's take a quick look at the garden. And here are the beets. I have my Sweet Merlin on this side. If I didn't have this chicken wire around, they would have been all chewed by the rabbit too. And then Early Wonder. Right behind the beets is the line of peas, and these were all about 18 inches tall, a little taller than that one in the corner, and now they're all a couple of inches, 3 inches, 4 inches. You can see all the tops, they're just suddenly end where they're clearly snapped off, chewed off, all that. Just chomped, most of them. Next up is the garlic. I have 3 varieties: Music, Chestnut Red, and Russian Red. They're about hip high. I have a row of Zebrun shallot, and then 4 bulbing onion, white sweet, Utah yellow, Pompeii white, red Weathersfield, and red burgundy. I have 2 of these redbeard bunching, a second redbeard bunching. I have some in the front of this growing Tokyo long white. I have 1, 2, 3 Ukrainian plum tomato, another small batch of Tokyo long white. Behind the Ukrainian plum, I have what I call my mystery potato. I had some extra seed potato and I just tossed them in a couple of grow bags. I just don't remember what I put in there, what was left. Next up, I have my cherry and pear tomatoes, 2 yellow pear, 2 sweetie cherry, 2 white cherry, 2 black cherry, and then I believe the last thing is 2 Jubilee tomato. Those are not cherry or pear tomatoes. And last thing is Moonbeam. I did 1 Moonbeam. Just had some seeds left over. They were okay. They're not as flavorful. Bright, small yellow. These are where the majority of my potatoes are. Adirondack red and Adirondack blue. There's about 3 or 4 in each. This is dark red Norland, 3 or 4 seed potato in each. And then 2 of the Yukon Gold, 2 25-gallon bags. Marigolds, some Little Gem butterhead lettuce, or butter lettuce. I've got some oregano and parsley. I've got some basil growing, some red leaf and romaine, and then newly planted. You can just see these little tiny green leaves come up. This is more red leaf lettuce. Next to that is my weed/raspberry patch. I haven't done any weeding. I got to get in there. And then inside here is where tomatoes are. So I've got 6 7-gallon grow bags for plum tomato, Roma tomato. I've got 1 Catskill Brussels. The rest were eaten by rabbits. That one's pretty chewed too. 1 butternut squash, 1 gourd, and then I have 4 golden zucchini. I've got 1, 2, 3 beefsteak. These were in 10-gallon grow bags. I've got 2 black crim in 10-gallon grow bags. I've got 1 tigerella in a 10. I've got 1, 2 giant crimson in a 10-gallon grow bag. 1 Manitoba, that's new to me, in a 10-gallon. 1, 2, 3 Rio Grande in a 10-gallon, and 2 Brandywine Yellow in a... This used to be where I grew my cucumbers before. Now I have 2 pineapple tomato. And then in these 25-gallon grow bags, one is all Danvers 126. I will thin those, and then one is a rainbow mix. Again, I'll thin as they start to come in. 2 butternut squash in 10-gallon, and then 1, 2, 10-gallon. It'll be some pumpkin or some squash or some gourds. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7-gallon, and an additional 10. Those will probably be for mushroom basket tomatoes, maybe a couple of others that I have extras of. Behind the Brandywine Yellow, I've got 3 red pear, cherry tomato. Right next to that is the unfinished compost, and the bin that is finished compost. I forgot, behind the onions, the bunching onion, I have 2 25-gallon, and those will be for cucumber. I've got a bunch of seedlings that I haven't planted. Most of these are either going to be given away or friends and family or neighbors. That's my mid-March garden update. A little quick tour. Got some cucumbers to put in. I think 6 plants. I'll probably only put in 5. Sumter, couple of Boston pickling. I can't remember what the other 2 varieties are. The other 1 variety, sorry. So some cucumbers still to put in. Probably got some more squash to put in. I'm not going to put anything in yet. We're going to have a lot of rain the next couple of days. I don't want things to get really soggy and compacted when they're brand new. What else is going in? Well, I guess that's it for now. Oh, I do have pumpkins. Oh, I have all my strawberries to put in too. I might put them in the tower. Put them in the garden tower there. Might get them in this weekend. We'll see. Anyway, so that's my mid-May. It's May, what is it, May 14th? Yeah, tomorrow's my anniversary, so May 14th garden tour, and we'll see how it all goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That helps me grow, and I hope that helps you grow. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.